Do you have a video or audio clip that you need to loop? You don't need to duplicate these and create a stairway of layers. Instead, use this super quick shortcut. Bring your video clip into your timeline. Now right-click on the layer and choose Time, Enable Time Remapping, or Layer, Time, Enable Time Remapping. After Effects will automatically add and show a start and end keyframe. Next, extend the clip. Option or Alt-click on the Time Remap stopwatch. Then type loopOut with an open and closed parentheses. Now your video will play on an infinite loop. This also works for audio clips. Drag your audio into the timeline. Right-click and choose Time Enable Time Remapping. After Effects will automatically add and show a start and end keyframe. Extend your clip. Option or Alt-click the Time Remap stopwatch, then type loopOut, open and close parentheses. Now your audio clip will play on an infinite loop. The next time you need to loop a video or audio clip, don't duplicate and stack them. Instead, use the Enable Time Remapping feature, then type loopOut, open and close parentheses, and avoid that dreaded stairway of layers.